Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to log out of Pokémon TCG Pocket account. So, in order to do this, simply navigate to your Pokémon TCG application. Now you'll have to click on the three-lined icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now, click on the settings option from these options. Now, when you click on settings, you will see this page. Now, from these options, you'll have to click on the account option, that is the third option from the top. Now, you will see this page where you'll have to make sure you are linked to either a Nintendo account or a Google account. So make sure you have linked an account because only then you'll be able to restore your saved data. Even if you delete this app, if you link your saved data to any of the accounts listed here, you'll have to just link that account and your data will be revived. So we'll go back from here after ensuring that we have linked an account. What we'll have to do is simply navigate to Play Store. If you're on Apple, you'll have to navigate to App Store and search for Pokémon TCG Pocket. Now, simply click on Pokémon TCG Pocket, then click on the uninstall icon. Select uninstall again and this will instantly uninstall Pokémon TCG Pocket. Now, you'll have to click on install button again. So, reinstall Pokémon TCG in order to log out of the application. Now, you'll have to just wait for this installation to get finished. After the installation gets finished, you will see the play icon here. So simply open the Pokémon TCG application again. Now the app will look something like this. Click on tap to start. Here, choose your country or region. Choose your birth date. Click on term of use. Click on privacy notice. Then choose agree to terms of use and privacy notice. Then click on OK. Here click on OK again. And you'll have to basically choose it according to your preference whether you want to share your data with Pokémon TCG or not. After that, click on OK. Here, click on transfer existing saved data. Now, here what you're going to do is simply click on sign in with Google. After you do this, you'll have to just select an account that you want to sign in with. As you can see, save data transfer complete. The game will restart. So that is how you log out of Pokémon TCG account and log back in with the same account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.